What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is summer, almost. Summer is almost here. Haven't been posting a lot of videos, unfortunately, for the past like 2-3 weeks. I have been, well, not sick, but I've had the worst virus ever. It's just, I don't know, probably everybody has been getting it recently because, I don't know, I guess viruses are in the air and it sucks. But anyways, I was coughing, I like lost my voice, and just I did not feel well pretty much at all. And then that virus, it kind of went down, and it was disgusting. I don't want to really talk about it too much, but basically, like that, like you want to cough, but then you can't really cough, so you're kind of like and nothing comes out, and then finally when you wake up in the mornings, like the virus is supposed to be like clear mucus, but bacteria comes out. It's just, anyways, that's just like that. So yeah, I've been sick, but now I'm good. Like, you guys can probably still hear my voice. It's kind of recovering. So that's also why I couldn't really make videos, because if your voice is like done, then you can't really talk and you can't make videos. So I couldn't, well, I could have, but it would have been just horrible quality. You guys would not be able to even like understand what I was saying. So I didn't want to disappoint with the poor quality videos. So yeah, anyways, quick little update for you all. The C63 AMG runs great. Car is awesome. I'm about to give it a nice little rip down Mexico Village. There we go. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, we got like this little what do you call it? Not track, but this little back road where I sometimes just kind of, okay, I guess boxes are gonna go flying. There's just this back road that kind of is like a little shortcut to avoid like this really annoying left turn at one of the lights that there's always like 30 people lined up. So I always just kind of go whoop and just do this little like loop. It's way better, like way faster. So yeah, car runs great. Brakes are good, tires are good. I don't know, like engine's good, transmission is good, you know. When it's a little cold, it kind of but when it's warm, it fucking rips. Yeah, it rips. So which is great. I think the only thing that the car literally needs is like a control arm in the front left. So I gotta find out exactly, because like these control arms, they're kind of like this. They sit like this. So it's like the upper one is actually like this one, the lower one, and the lower one is like this. So it's kind of, I don't know how they name these control arms. It's really weird. So it's like if you buy the upper one, it's like, oh sorry, that's actually the lower one. And if you buy the lower one, anyways. So I gotta actually see which one it is. I'm pretty certain like they have this whatever shape, loop, whatever you want to call it, so I don't want to mess it up. But I think I need a front left control arm, so because when I'm braking, like kind of when I come to a stop, it kind of like does a little clunk, which is fine. It's okay. It's not dangerous or anything like that. But I think the ball joint is kind of starting to it basically like clicks at the top. So probably gonna replace that, maybe get an alignment, I don't know. Then like I think I need brakes in the back. Well, like the light hasn't come on yet, so I don't think I need it like immediately right now. But I think I probably might need brakes in the rear. I don't think we're gonna do carbon ceramics in the rear. This just doesn't make sense. All the braking power is in the front anyways, and to be honest, right now I'm not looking to spend another like couple $1,000s on brakes in the back. It just doesn't make sense. It does need parking brake shoes, because when I'm driving really slowly, it kind of goes it's a little annoying, and the only way to do that is to is to actually engage the parking brake and like pull it back a little bit so that it retracts and stops making that squeaking noise. It's a little annoying, but it is what it is. That's fine. So yeah, just the car needs little stuff here and there, but it's all not a rush. Drives great. We are currently at 205,000 kilometers, 205,105. Like, this car has made it a very decent amount of kilometers, and still on the original engine. 4 transmissions, 2 differentials. Well, this is like the second differential. What else? Yeah, it's 2 water pumps. Like, well, second water pump, second intake manifold. Like, we had to rebuild it. Like, it is, we've done so much maintenance to the car, but it runs great, and that's the thing. It runs. So there's nothing really to do or kind of worry about. I'm just gonna keep driving it and enjoy it, and yeah, not much else to say. Anyway, so the summer is coming up, but I have been so busy. Also, we got lots of work and lots of like packages and stuff and this and that, like, you know, selling a whole bunch of things and trying to think of video ideas. And the weather has been kind of like good, bad, good, bad. Like, it's trying to get warm, but it's still in that kind of really annoying range where it's like you wake up and it's like still 0, and then you like go outside, you go to work, it's like +5, +10. It's like not perfect. So I really wish that it was, you know, +20 decently. Like, even right now it's +16. It's great, but that's like the last warm day right now before we kind of fall into this week of, you know, +10 daytime, which is kind of fine, but, you know, I would much rather appreciate it if it was +20. So once it does get warmer, hopefully we'll be able to get out and do more stuff, maybe some car events. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of it, to be honest. So yeah, summer is kind of almost here, and I am excited. Yeah. Sorry guys, decided to close the sunroof because there's guys cutting the grass over there, and I can already feel it. The allergies are coming. Literally, the guy drove over like this patch of flowers or whatever it was, and I just saw a white cloud go whoosh, and I'm like, that's a lot of allergies. I ain't down for that. This sunroof is being closed because that stuff is gonna go and fall into the car, and then I won't be able to breathe again. That's kind of like, I love spring and summer, but that's the one thing that really kills me is just allergies. So anyways, whatever, that's nothing to worry about. So yeah, if you have watched up to this point in the video, I don't know who you are, but you're awesome. Thank you. I really appreciate that you're tuning in and just, you know, whatever, what's up? Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. I am actually quite close to monetization for this channel. So obviously I have more than 1,000 subscribers, and I don't think I'll ever get 10 million short views or whatever. I just don't see that happening. Like, I'm not a person that really makes shorts. Like, I could, but it's just, I would have to just constantly be like, hello, short post, post a short, post a short, like, and it would just be annoying. Like, that's not me. So I am currently at 2,400 watch hours out of the 4,000 that you need. So I need about 1,600 more, 1,600 more. And if I continue posting just kind of like steadily like this, then I am projected to be monetized somewhere around August 10th, around there. That's kind of like where my little Excel graph is pointing me to. So if you guys are watching, I actually really appreciate it, because you're giving me those little watch hours that I need to get monetized, and I'm actually pretty close. Like, it's not that much left. It went over a lot of bumps. I'm pretty close. So if you guys can, like, again, I'd really appreciate it if you all watched not just this video, but just every other video in general that I post. It would be actually awesome. Like, I have a playlist. If you guys actually go into my channel and you press on like my playlist, I got like this, whatever you want to call it, 24-hour playlist. Just literally press on it. I want you guys to just press on it and leave it in the background. If you're at work or whatever, and you're I don't know, doing your thing, and just take my playlist, put it in a tab, and leave it kind of running in the background. I would really appreciate that. That would be awesome, because obviously you have to be present on your computer in order for the watch hours to be valid. So if you guys are, on your computer, I would really appreciate you guys just kind of going poop and just putting it up there. Leave. Oh, that's a lot of sirens. yeah, and just put it up in a tab, mute it, plus press loop on the playlist, and just let it run for like 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever. I would really appreciate that. Anyways, I'm at the UPS store. I gotta go drop off these 2 packages. Give me 1 second. All right, dropped off our packages to UPS. Absolutely awesome. Now we can kind of drive a little bit faster because, well, we don't have 2 big packages in the back. And it looks like the traffic has kind of quieted down, so let's give it a nice little rip. Oh yeah. Yeah, car runs great. Car runs absolutely amazing. I'm super happy. Yes. And we hit some traffic. So yeah, if you guys are watching my videos, I would really appreciate it. Throw up a playlist in the back. If you guys are on your computers or whatever, you're like, you know, are sitting and doing your emails or whatever you're doing, put on a playlist in the background. I'd really appreciate it, because right now I'm averaging like, I can't really tell with the analytics, it's a little bit complicated, but anyways, like on average per day, it'll be anywhere from like 10 watch hours all the way up to 50 watch hours per day, which is great. I would love to get, you know, 50 watch hours per day from like a lot of people watching, because then, you know, if I got 50 or even 100, I would get monetized in like, I don't know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks or whatever, 16 days. But, you know, that's not how YouTube calculates it. It has to be public watch hours. So you gotta, first of all, I don't think you have to be signed in or anything like that, but you do have to be active on the computer because it tracks your mouse and stuff. So that's important. It has to be on a web browser, obviously, and it has to be by a real person. It can't be by bots or anything like that. So yeah, I'm pretty close. And the moment, again, some people do YouTube just for fun, but at the end of the day, like if you are doing it kind of progressively more and more and more, eventually you get to the point where you're like, okay, like this has the potential to start making a little bit of money, whatever, $20, $50, $200, whatever it is, you know, per month or something like that. Listen, if that allows me to make some money, then I can take that money and I can put it into the videos back, and I can make more content, and we can, I don't know, buy a car and fix it, maybe like buy a Mercedes and rebuild it, or buy like a Porsche and rebuild it. It really comes down to the viewer. But then again, that's how YouTube works. It's for the viewers. So if you guys like something, you watch it. You don't like something, you don't watch it. So again, I'd really appreciate it if you guys watched, so that I can get those watch hours. I'm really close, because let's say I get monetized and I find out that I'm gonna be making, I don't know, $200 a month. Well, then I'm gonna take that $200 and I'm gonna buy a crash car. It's gonna be a Toyota Corolla, a 2001. I'm just kidding. No, I won't do that. Not a Corolla. But basically, I will start looking at cars to buy and rebuild, because, you know, I love this car and I'm gonna hold on to it. But if the opportunity arises to buy a nice quality crash car, like, I don't know, like a 2021 E63 AMG, or maybe some sort of Porsche 911, I don't know, like anything is possible, then I will look into that opportunity and I will probably buy it. So yeah. But yeah, so again, there's tons of opportunities of what can be done. Maybe we'll start buying crash cars. Maybe we'll start doing travel vlogs. Maybe we'll continue doing the car repairs. Maybe we'll just do vlogs like this and just kind of talk shit about, I don't know, the economy and whatever, anything, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have been watching, you're amazing. I love you. Please subscribe, like, comment. I love the comments, actually. I read them all. I respond to pretty much all of them. I love the comments, love the shares. Just thank you guys. You're awesome. Subscribe. Actually, don't subscribe. Watch the videos. I got enough subscribers. Watch the videos, please. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.